At 10:30, at 8 o'clock last night, Senator Bam Aquino called me up and gave me a tip that there was chatter in Tacloban that there was an impending mass shooting that was about to occur. I immediately referred it to the CIDG, which did an investigation. And here are the results of the investigation. Let me read to you the report of the CIDG. Date, June 24, 2026. This report addresses... let me begin again, okay? At 8 o'clock p.m. last night, Senator Bam Aquino called me, and to my estimation, he was in Tacloban. He gave me a tip na sabi niya may chatter daw sa Tacloban na mayroon pang isang impending mass shooting na mangyayari sa Leyte. Ang binigay niyang pangalan, bibigay siyang pangalan at in-investigate kagad namin. So salamat kay Senator Bam Aquino. Ang nakalagay sa report, this report addresses the alleged threat at Tolosa National High School of Tolosa, Leyte. The suspect is accused of planning a mass shooting or stabbing aimed at the school students. The following message written in vernacular was retrieved. And you're gonna have to excuse me, hindi po ako marunong magwaray. Pero ibibigay ko na lang ang translation. Okay? Translation, and it is very rough. Translation. Pinost niya sa Facebook to. Hello, send this to your friends. Yo, from Tolosa. Prepare yourselves, especially you, as you owe me. Get ready. I will disrupt the school. You won't know me, but you will recognize me. There's no time, no day. Be prepared for whoever gets shot or stabbed. We don't care. Good luck to you at Tolosa Leyte National High School. In response to the threat, validation, and intelligence gathering, RFU 8 CIDG immediately went to a 14-year-old grade 10 student named Jasmine Golong. 14 years old, grade 10, student at Tolosa National High School. The investigation revealed that she created multiple Facebook accounts to disseminate this content, which spread rapidly across social media, alarming students, parents, and the public.